We have Mr. Ashutosh Gupta with us. Mr. Gupta is the newly appointed chairman of Farmexcel. Ashutosh, tell us about your impressions of IFEX and what is new about IFEX this year.
This year, I think I met a lot of exhibitors. We have been surveying the response. Although being an organizer, we will always like what we have done, but listening from the horse's mouth has always been a better experience. This year, everybody's response is that it has been more professionally organized than the first event, because it was the first event last year, although it was a huge success. But this year, I'm listening that it is a greater success than last year. This year, we have invited more regulators from around 21 countries. There are 42 regulators with us, and international media is covering the event. Furthermore, we have more exhibitors, more buyers this year, and it has been more focused on business, as it has been more carefully screened. We have more carefully screened the buyers, and the response is that buyers are more serious, and they are doing good business, and we expect to do more than 2,000 crores business this year.
Tell us more about the countries from where these buyers are from and what are the emerging markets where Farmexcel will focus in the coming years.
There are 115 countries which are represented here, from Africa, South America, Central America, Southeast Asia, Europe, US. And I have always been saying that Indian pharma speaks all the languages in the world, and that can be seen over here. Next year, definitely we'll try that we reach a figure of 150, and we wish to invite all the buyers from all over the country, so because this is the best showcase of Indian pharma, and this is the face which we project to the world, the strengths, the capabilities, the innovation. IFEX is the best place where we can demonstrate to the world what India is doing.
Looking at the success of IFEX 2014, are there any plans to make this event international?
Definitely, later this year, we are going to do the first international version of IFEX, IFEX Africa. Right now, there is no Pan-African event for pharmaceuticals. Not even CPHI is there in Africa. This year, IFEX will do a Pan-African event, which will be the biggest ever in Africa. Indian exhibitors will go there, exhibit their products, and we expect to invite more than 700 to 800 buyers from all over Africa.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.